How to download Among Us on PC. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to download Among Us on PC. First, open any Android emulator such as BlueStacks on your PC. Now go to My Games and select the Among Us game. Next, click the View Details option. Then start installing from Google Play and it will start loading. To do this, you need to sign in to Google Play, so click on it. After that, enter your email address or phone number to continue and add a password. To keep your account safe, check your phone and tap Yes. Once the verification is completed, click Continue. You need to agree to the Google Terms of Services by clicking I agree. After getting your info, hit the Accept button. Following that, click Install and wait for it to download completely. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.